Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question is very simple. The universe was created from nothing or quantum fluctuations. And quantum fluctuations is actually a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. And from those changes of energy, virtual particles can be created. And from those virtual particles, real particles can be created. And from real particles, a matter can be created, and that matter is actually our universe. And the answer to the second question, who created nothing, is also very simple. Nothing was never created because it always existed. So I can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created from nothing or quantum fluctuations, and those nothing or quantum fluctuations was never created because it always existed. Okay, thank you very much.